What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. We are coming in hot, and we are here for a special Independence Day hot sauce review with my man Jared.
What's up?
Welcome back to the channel.
Good to be back.
All right, so we got three flavors that we're gonna do for you today. We got the Arizona Gunslinger Smoking Hot Key Lime Jalapeno Sauce. Go ahead and give you guys a look. All right, then, and this is one of the sauces I've been looking forward to. This has been on my radar for a couple months. We got the Bravado Spice Company Ghost Pepper and Blueberry Hot Sauce. Go ahead and look at that. And then last but not least,
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
it's gonna be a stinger. It's gonna be a stinger. We got the Ancho Masala Scorpion Reaper Hot Sauce. So thankfully, I have cleared out my day for tomorrow so that when the side effects of this comes in, I think I'm gonna be good. So this is what we're gonna do, Jared. We're gonna do it from medium to high. So I think this is gonna be the medium,
All right.
the most medium. I think this is going to be the next level.
Yeah.
And then I think this is going to be the hottest. So
Definitely.
we're going to start off with this key lime jalapeno. Let me go ahead and read the ingredients. Let's see. I picked this up while I was in Arizona not too long ago. Here's the ingredients. Red ripened jalapeno peppers, vinegar, salt, key lime essence, stevia. I don't know what that is. I am most struck by the key lime essence. So I don't know what to expect here. I'm going to expect something. I'm gonna expect something a little fruity.
That's what I was kind of thinking as well. Key lime makes me think of like the key lime pie, you know?
Yeah.
So, but it's got a little, what's that pour looking like?
That pour is looking pretty thick, pretty
Okay.
dark.
Ooh.
Um,
It might get us.
Beautiful aroma.
Oh, yeah.
It smells good.
Oh, that's great.
That smells good.
That's great. We're going
All right, go ahead and get yourself a spoonful.
to check that pour out. My
It
goodness.
comes out fast.
Yeah, that's nice.
And it's
though.
because I tore off the regulator on it. I don't like
Yeah.
regulators on
Yeah, yeah.
it. All right, well, put that here.
Yeah, here
All
we
right,
go.
cheers. Mm. Huh.
Mm.
Got a little bit of heat on the back of my tongue,
Yeah.
going to the back of the throat.
Kind of got me a little
It
bit.
got you a little
Yeah,
bit?
yeah. It just kind of didn't go down right.
So, off the top of my head, I'm going to say, you know what this would really go well on? Spaghetti,
Yeah, I can see that.
shrimp.
Shrimp would be amazing.
This would be a good substitute for a shrimp cocktail.
Absolutely.
And I will put this on pasta dishes. Yeah.
I can see that.
Well, what are you thinking?
So I definitely taste the lime
Yep.
in there. That it's got such a great flavor
Yep.
with that lime. It definitely has a nice bite to it, but it's not too spicy. Like there's still like a little tingle in the back of my throat.
Yep. I'm
But-
starting to feel a
but
little
still-
bit something in my chest. A little something.
That's good
On
though.
a scale of 1 through 10.
Heat,
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna give it like maybe like a 3.
3.
Yeah.
I'm going to say a 1 because I did feel something on the back of my throat and tongue and little settling in a little bit here. But it's not overdoing it. So I will put that on maybe like a pork sandwich,
Yeah.
pasta dishes, shrimp. That would be a good
Definitely
comfort.
shrimp.
Yeah, that'd be a good condiment.
That
All
would
right,
be crazy.
key lime jalapeno from Arizona Gunslinger. All right,
Yeah.
moving on to the next one.
Yeah.
Ghost pepper and blueberry, and I've been looking forward to this for months. Off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and say that this is a dessert sauce.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I've never actually had a hot sauce dessert type flavor, so this should be super interesting. One thing that I do want to point out, as I was reading the bottle, is that it said it was gluten-free and vegan. So
Really?
yeah, so that's very interesting. That's something that I did notice. I like the color.
That is a very dark blueberry color.
Yeah.
All right, let me go ahead and read the ingredients here. Number one ingredient, blueberries. Rice vinegar. I have never heard of that.
Rice vinegar.
Red ghost pepper puree, which is red ghost chili peppers. Salt, sea salt, lemon juice from concentrate, and black pepper. So a dessert sauce with some sweet heat, perhaps? Oh, yeah. Strong blueberry.
Strong
Heavy
blueberry?
blueberry, yeah. Blueberry up front. All right.
I'm not even like a
Is it-
blueberry fan, but I feel like this might. Wow.
Yeah.
The vinegar is really strong.
It comes
too.
right at you.
Yeah.
The only thing I wish it had was the xanthan gum that would
Yeah.
give it a full body pour.
Yeah. Because it's pretty runny.
It is very
From
runny.
the wow. See, look at that, just kind of dripping down the.
Yep.
Well, we'll just
Cheers. Oh yeah. Blueberries. Up front. A little kick to it.
wow. So I think we might have been a little wrong on the dessert. Wow. So I'll just tell y'all. Anytime something is hot, I get the hiccups.
If you're getting the hiccups out on this one, this one might take you out.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
I definitely taste the ghost pepper, and I feel the ghost pepper coming in late. It's right there on the back of my throat for sure, and it's staying there. I will put this on cheesecake. I will put this.
What?
Yeah, I will put this on cheesecake. A solid cheesecake, and I might put that on a waffle.
Okay, so like a chicken and waffles type deal.
Ooh, that would be a good pairing. Yeah.
I think that'd be great.
Yeah.
I actually do like the blueberry, but man, it's definitely giving me the hiccups really
Yep.
bad.
Heat
Really
scale.
bad. I think the hiccups speak for itself. But I'll probably go with a 5 on this one.
Ooh, a 5?
Yeah.
Guys, we have an audience in the background. So if you hear some laughing and giggling, that's our supportive
They're
audience.
just laughing at me right now. This is on YouTube. It'll probably be the most replayed portion right
The
here.
more hiccups, the better the reaction.
That's it.
I'm gonna go 1.5. Because
What?
1.5? Yeah.
1.5?
Yeah. My lips are not burning. I did feel it on the back of the throat, but I feel it leaving. I feel it dissipating.
Yeah.
So, but it has a heavy blueberry flavor. So, if blueberries are your thing, I recommend the Ghost Pepper and Blueberry by Bravado. Last but certainly
Not the least.
not the least, this has me a little concerned.
Bro, how many flames are on there, first of all?
5, which is the highest you could get, and it's called ultra hot. Now, it's all relative. You know, it may be hot to them, it may not be that hot to us, but we see. But as I begin to read the ingredients, I'm starting to sweat a little bit. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready for the main ingredients? Scorpion pepper puree, which is scorpion pepper, salt, and acetic acid. Carolina Reaper pepper puree.
Goodness.
My man.
I got
My man. He's got the hiccups.
I got
over
the
here.
pre-hiccups.
Oh man, I can't wait to see what this one does. All right, the next ingredient is water, rice vinegar, red ghost pepper puree. We got roasted garlic, medjool dates. I've never heard of that before. Tomato paste, garam masala, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger and cloves, and ancho chili powder. That is an array of flavors.
Yeah.
I really think it's going to be straightforward with a pepper taste. And I think it's going to be heat, if I'm going to be honest with you.
Absolutely. It's going to come with it. Wow. Bro, first of all, you see, wow. Still haven't gotten over the first one. You see how thick that is on
You
the
see
top?
the thickness right there?
Wow.
That's when you know you're in for a whammy.
You're in trouble.
I'm interested to see how it pours. Tell me how it smells.
Man.
My man getting a hiccup over an aroma.
Wow. Oh, this is gonna burn.
Let me see what I'm picking.
Oh goodness.
I feel like I'm picking up on tomato.
Let me
and
go and get
garlic.
some water real quick to kind of
Preparation.
prep from the last one.
You can do water.
Because
later.
honestly, that ghost pepper is still got me.
Okay.
I appreciate you. Appreciate your ministry there.
All right, I'm gonna pour here.
What is that? That xanthan gum or something?
I'm not sure if
in there?
xanthan gum is in. No. I don't know where this thick
Bro, that's
is coming.
thick.
Let me
That is super thick.
let me try this again.
Wow. Y'all, I'm sorry. I apologize. That ghost pepper and blueberry got me.
Man, listen, the raw reaction is what we're here for. Okay, so initially it's
Wow,
can
that's
see
super thick.
super thick,
Gummy.
and it has a peppery look to it. All right, that's what I'm gonna do right there. You can do as little or as much as you want.
Oh, I gotta go full. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how much you got.
As you can see, it's very thick.
Yeah, so this super thick.
Super
It's like
thick.
coming out in drops.
It is, yeah.
That's amazing. Whoa.
I like the color to it.
Oh, I missed.
Uh-oh. The table is going to join us in the review as well.
All right.
All right.
Well,
Save the hottest for
the
last.
heat. You good?
Are you ready?
Do I have enough on there?
You do.
We good?
Yeah.
All right,
let's go.
here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. So it hits you really slow,
I detect little heat.
but it's coming.
Okay. It's building.
It's coming.
It's a slow build up.
Yeah. It's a great flavor though.
What would you pick this for?
So I could use that.
Yep. It's
Mix it with some salsa. Yeah, yep. Yeah, you gonna give this one a 2?
Nope.
So
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
It's in the back of my throat.
There's the bird. So I can feel my pores. Oh wow. I feel my pores opening up a little bit. But my tongue is actually burning on this one.
The back of my mouth is on fire.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some heat.
That's a hot one, guys.
So I would, my lips. My lips.
Yeah, the tip of my tongue.
Oh goodness. It comes in. All
I will
right,
put this
so
on chicken. I will put this on baked chicken.
All right.
I think this will go good on baked chicken.
That would be it would be a great wing sauce.
Yes, wings.
Super. My boy over here. Ooh.
But
So
this
I
is
don't-
the thrill of doing a review. Is when that heat comes in.
Yeah.
And you just take it. And you soak it all up. It is in the back of my throat.
Is it subsiding?
No, it's growing. No, it's staying right there. It's just like lingering. It's not getting hotter.
So it's not in my chest or in the back of my throat. It's like at the tip of my tongue and my lips a little bit.
So I drank a little milk. It's helping. What would you put this on? Besides chicken, wings?
Yeah, so definitely wings. I think it'd be a great flavor to mix in with some salsa.
Like a little chips and salsa thing?
Yeah, some chips and salsa. I think. Have you ever seen the recipes of like doing like potato wedges in an air fryer?
I haven't.
So,
But I like
do
putting
something
them-
like that with some cheese on it, and then just sprinkle some of that on there real quick.
Yeah. I like the burn on this.
That's solid.
I like it. It is. It's a little bit, for me, a little bit on my lips, but it's definitely there on the back of my throat.
Yeah,
Sorry I didn't get the hiccups like you did.
No.
I'll save that for the next video.
that one got me.
All right, guys. That's what we have for you
I think
today.
that's good.
Key lime jalapeno, ghost pepper, and blueberry. And this is one of the sauces I've been looking forward to. And what's the name of that one again?
So this one is the Ancho Masala
Ancho Masala.
Scorpion Reaper.
Yeah. So the scorpion pepper is one of the hottest peppers.
Yeah.
Combine that with the Carolina Reaper.
I will also throw this in there that it is 100% vegan for those of you that are into that thing.
Yep.
And it's also gluten free. So, and I'll just tell you, we picked these two up at oh man, y'all, I'm still messed up. But Buc-ee's. So Buc-ee's
Buc-ee's
has
one of my
these.
favorite places to pick up sauces.
Great. If you've never been to Buc-ee's, you got to check it out.
Gotta go. Everybody, thanks for tuning in to the channel. And we'll see you next time.
I think I'm gonna drink some water now.
Finish this stuff, right? Thanks, everyone.